disconnect. Yes, 3 oak. Now I am audible and visible to you. There was a net problem for our side. Okay. So let's start chapter number 5, shapes and designs. Everyone take out your math magic. Everyone take out your math magic. 3 oak, take out your math magic, and we will start the new chapter, shapes and designs. In our previous class, we have already completed the chapter number 4, long and short. I think the last topic we have discussed about the long tail competition, isn't it? So we have already completed that one, and from today we will start shapes and designs. So everyone come to the book in page 60. Page 60 of Math Magic, page 60 of Math Magic, and put the date in page number 60 and shapes and designs. Okay, I will read the book, you just go through the book. Make a clapper. This is an activity, and you all will do this activity at home. Okay, the activity is to make a clapper. When you were in school, I think you have done this type of clapper with the scale, with the page you are making, and you are just doing this one, and there is a sound, clap. Okay, patak, like this, there is a sound. Okay, see, the first step is take a page, and where it is the dotted line, from that dotted line you fold the page. Okay, the second one, just fold the page. Then third one, again fold it. That means 2 times you are folding a page. Now fourth one, again fold it this side. Then after that, when you will fold it, the fourth one will be, the fourth one, just go through your book. Everyone go through your book. The fourth step, when you will fold from here, it will be like this, isn't it? And fifth one, at the side you hold the paper and just open it. You just open it. Then it will become like this, and hold the ears of that page and then do it. There will be a sound, patak. There will be a sound of the page. Okay, like this. So try to do this activity at home. Clear, 3 oak? Try to do this activity at home. Now come to the next page. In this chapter, you will get a concept of different types of shapes, and why they are designed like that, that concept also you will get. Clear? Now come to page number 61. Everyone come to page number 61. Have fun with shapes. Yes, now there are different types of shapes, you have to color it. Color the clone or clown following the directions given below. Now there are some instructions, follow that instructions and then color the clown. Okay, triangles red. Now in the book you will do this, you will do this in the book. Wherever there is a triangle, that triangle you will color it red. Okay, then squares yellow. Wherever there is squares, that you will color it yellow. Rectangles blue. Now where there are rectangles, that you will color it blue, and circles you will color in green. Okay, now you tell me that how many triangles are there in the clown. Just count how many triangles are there in the clown and write over the chat box quickly. Quickly count number of triangles and write over the chat box. 3 oak, quickly count the triangles. How many triangles are there? Daksha is writing 7, Srijita is writing 7, Shauri, Sankalan writing 7. Is it 7? Yes. Yes, it is 7, not 9. It is 7. total number of triangles are 7. So, you will color this 7 triangles red. Okay. Now, quickly count how many circles are there. Circles. How many circles are there? How many circles are there? Count the circles and tell me how many circles are there. Shaurish is writing 13. Shauri, Abhimanyu, Srijita, all are writing 13. Upayon, it is not 14. 14 is wrong. Yes. Ankon is writing 13. Yes. Daksha, it is 15 is wrong. It is 13 circles. So, this 13 circles you will color green. Okay. This 13 circles you will color green. Now, count how many squares are there. How many squares? Quickly count squares and tell me how many squares are there. How many squares are there? Yes, Sankalan, there are 2 big circles that I have missed. You have to count that also. It is 15. Circles are 15, okay. The 2 big circles, one is the belly and one is the face. That 2 big circles I have forgotten to count. So, total number of circles are 15. Total number of circles are 15 and total number of squares are, total number of circles are 15. Now, count squares. Squares, how many squares are there? Yes, there are 4 squares. There are 4 squares. So, the 4 squares you will color it yellow. Now, rectangles, quickly count how many rectangles are there. Rectangles. How many rectangles are there? How many rectangles are there? Yes, you all are correct. It is 5. There are 5 rectangles. Okay. So, these 5 rectangles you will color blue. So, this is your homework and in the next class you will show this homework to me. After coloring you will show this homework to me. Okay. That means on Friday you will color it and you will show the homework to me. Is that clear to everyone? Trioke. Now, turn the page, come to page number 62. Come to page number 62. Everyone come to page number 62. I am reading page number 62, you just go through it. How many triangles are there in the following figures? Now, you have to count the triangles. You have to find the triangle. See the first one, there is a square given and inside that again one small square is given and the squares are divided into triangles. Okay. Count it and tell me that how many triangles are there in the first figure. In the first figure, how many triangles are there? Count and tell me. Srijita is writing 12. Is it 12? Norris is writing 4. Shauri is writing 20. Others count and tell me how many triangles are there. You have to count the triangles. Then 10. Divyanko is saying 8, not 8. Count it properly. Count it properly. For the first one. Yes, for the first figure it is 12. It is 12. See, somewhat like this. Okay. The figure is somewhat like this. I am just trying to draw the figure. Okay. How the triangles are 12. See, this is one triangle. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Write in the figure. Everyone write in the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This is 8. Then this is the big triangle. This 7 and 8 mix and makes a one big triangle. This 7, 8 mix and make a big triangle. So 8, 9. Similarly 6 and 7 makes a triangle, a big triangle. So this will be 9. And in opposite 5 and 8 makes a big triangle. So this is 11 and this one 5 and 6 again make a big triangle. So this will be 12. So there are 12 triangles for figure 1. There are 12 triangles for figure 1. Okay. Everyone write it in the book. Everyone write it in the book. Now the second one. Count the number of triangles in the second one and tell me the answer. Count the number of triangles in the second one and write the answer over the chat box. Write the answer over the chat box. Number second. Sourish is writing 14, Fatima, Ankon, they all are writing 8, 9, then Ankon is writing, Shouri is writing 14, Divyanko is writing 8. Count properly and write. Count properly. 12 and sir, connection is lost. For second one, count it. What will be the answer for second one? The figure is Yes, students. Now see the second one. See the second one. Students, see the second one. Okay. So for second one, for second one, how many triangles are there? Count. How many triangles are there for second one? Some are writing 14, some are writing 13, some are writing 10, some are writing 8. The second one, see, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 triangles you are getting, isn't it? Now this 2 makes a triangle, 9, 10, then this one 11, this one 12, this bigger one 13, this bigger one 14, and this one as 15. So there are 15 triangles for the second picture. For the second picture there are 15 triangles. Okay. So everyone write there are 15 triangles. Straight 8 triangles is easy to count, isn't it? Straight 8 triangles are easy to count. Straight 8 triangles are easy to count, but after that you have to mix this one. This 5 and 6, it makes one triangle. 7 and 8, again it makes one triangle like this. Then this bigger one, that means 7, 6, 2. This is making a bigger triangle like this. Then 4, 5, 6, this is also making a bigger triangle. Like this you will count and you will able to know that there are 15 triangles. Okay, 15 triangles for second picture. Now come to the third picture. Quickly count for the third picture. Count for the third picture and tell me that how many triangles are there for the third one. For the third one, how many triangles are there? Daksha is writing 10, Srijita, Sankalan, they are writing 13. How it is 13? How it is 13? Yes, how it is 13? For the third one. For the third one, it is Ankon, Sourish, they are writing 12, 13, 10 like this. Nine plus 3 plus 1. Yes, the 9, the big triangle, the 9 are the small triangles, isn't it? So inside that you write 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Inside that you write 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Suppose this is the triangle. Inside the triangle you write like this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 9 triangles inside, isn't it? These are the 9 triangles inside. Then bigger one is 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. The small triangles are 9. Then the bigger one is 1, that is 10. And 3 more, when you will join, it will become a big one. So it is 13. 13 triangles for the third one. Now come to the next question. Find the biggest rectangle in the pictures given below. The next one. Find the biggest rectangle in the figures given below. Now here some squares are given. You have to make a rectangle, but it will be the biggest rectangle. That means inside the rectangles there will be maximum number of squares. Okay, maximum number of squares included in that big rectangle. You have to make that rectangle like this way. See, the first one, it is already done with a red, not red, pink color, isn't it? With the pink color it is already made. The pink color it is already made. Okay. Now the second one, how you will draw? Just count it and try to draw the second one. The second one, it will be horizontal line, means the rectangle will be horizontal, not vertical, it will be horizontal. So draw the horizontal rectangle and count how many squares are included in that horizontal rectangle. It is exactly from the between. The rectangle will be exactly from the between. Okay. So draw it. I can't show you the book, but try to draw in a horizontal way. Similarly, in the third figure also you will draw in the bottom a rectangle horizontally, and in the fourth picture you will draw the rectangle vertically. Then it will be the biggest rectangle. Okay, then it will be the biggest rectangle. So today is your homework that please you draw the rectangles in the book. You draw the rectangles in the book with the help of the scale and pencil. Okay. So today up to this only. In our next class we will start the next page. Okay. So goodbye all of you, and practice the maths. This is the shapes. So practice the shapes. Bye all of you for today.